One day I noticed this beautiful brand new Dutch Star pulling into the park. I met the family and asked if I could have a tour. They were happy to let me take a peek inside, so here it is.
Because I was like, oh, they've got a host here. That's great.
Oh my gosh, the design is flawless. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. The floors are so shiny. Look at the cabinets are just so elegant. What are all those buttons?
Different, like the pumps and the lighting.
Oh my gosh. Look at the pretty. Oh my gosh. The mirrors. Same refrigerator still. The backsplash is just beautiful. A pretty bathroom with a window. King size bed. The bed design has not changed at all. Still the same. You still got a bunch of stuff underneath the bed. Lots of storage probably. Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful place. Look at this huge shower. Oh my gosh. It's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm just blown away. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Love it.